Welcome. In this video, you will learn how you can easily remove a member from your workspace in Slack, from your channel or whatever. So from your team, very rewarding. So what you want to do is just click here the small arrow button, then go to administration and just click manage members. And when you're right here, let's just change the workspace owner to full member. And now let's just click on these three dots and just deactivate the account. This member will no longer be able to sign into workspace. Of course, this member message and file will be still accessible in Slack. Yep, understandable. And then what you want to do is just press deactivate. I'm not going to deactivate my second account because I'm going to make another tutorials, but this is how you can actually do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video and if this video was helpful, you can support me, subscribe. I would be really thankful for it. So thank you, have a great day and see ya. Goodbye guys, bye bye.